Today we're going to be reading Little Blue Truck's Springtime, written by Alice Schertle and illustrated by Jill McElmurry. This is a lift-a-flap book. Little Blue Truck is on the road, taking a drive with good friend Toad. It's a yoo-hoo, sky blue, spring sing day. Who do they see along the way? Yoo-hoo, sheep, beep beep, what's new? A little white lamb, and a twin lamb too. Who's out swimming in a line? Yoo-hoo, duck and ducklings 9. Yoo-hoo, goat, what do you say? Can the kids come out to play? Yoo-hoo, cow just munching corn. Yoo-hoo, little calf just born. Mama pig, who's in your pen? Yoo-hoo, piglets 1 to 10. Ears and clover? That looks funny. Hippity hop. Yoo-hoo, bunny. Bunny sister, bunny brother, and another, and another. What's this nestled in the grass? Check it out before we pass. Tap, tap, anybody home? Who's inside the smooth round dome? Crickety-crack, everybody shout. Yoo-hoo, chick, come on out. Yoo-hoo sun, yoo-hoo sky, yoo-hoo, white clouds sailing by. Birds that sing, frogs that leap, yoo-hoo spring, beep, beep, beep.